Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the drain tube on this Sub-Zero refrigerator. You pull off the hose and go to the back. You have to get to the back. You have to pull the refrigerator out to do this job, unless it's an older model. I'm going to take this cover off here and expose the drain tube. Oh yeah, there's one more up there. So here is the drain tube. What you want to do is you want to remove this clip right here. And then there's two more screws and another clip underneath right here. Here's the drain tube. It sits on top of the drain pan. Right there. So we have to take out these two screws to get this clamp off. Okay, so here's a new piece of drain hose. I know it looks a little dirty because it's been sitting in my car for years, but it is new. So you put it in this way, it's probably easier, and push it through all the way down. Turn it counterclockwise to kind of reduce the size of the tubing, and then you put the nipple, put the hose on the nipple here, like so. And that's it. Then you come down here. Now this is obviously not a 6-foot piece, but so one package of tubing will give you enough to do 2 refrigerators. And then you stick this in here so it's over the pan. Then you put the clamp on, put the screws back in, put the other clamp here, and put the cover in. Make sure you seal this all up so there's no air getting in there. And that's how you change a drain hose on a Sub-Zero.